everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I am Jen. Today is craft box day. Yay! My lovely mail delivery lady just dropped this off at my door. This is one of the items that I actually have to sign for every time, so super exciting when she knocks on my door and I'm actually home. When I'm not, that's another story. So without further ado, let's see what's inside this wonderful box from Craft Box UK. Beautiful ribbon like always. So let's open it up. I love the color scheme. I'm not a huge yellow fan, as you guys probably know, but the yellow and blue together I think is just nice and elegant and gives a nice antique-y feeling. I don't think there's anything antique-y in this box, but still, pretty good feeling. This box I actually have seen very little of. I might have saw a little sneak peek of the papers last month, but other than that, I'm super excited to see what's in here. So first up is a lovely thank you postcard. Love the dolphins. It looks like it's sea themed this month, and it is a postcard. Here is everything that's included in the box. Of course, we don't need that because we're just going to look at it. There's nothing on the other side of that one. So every month, subscribers, if you have a subscription plan, get an extra present, extra little goodie in their box. And this month's looks like no different. It looks like a jar of sand, but it's blue sand. So very cute blue sand in there. And then inside, there appears to be a mermaid. How cool is that? Let's see if I can get the top of it. There we go. Nice, pretty mermaid. I really like that. I don't know what I'll use it for, but I really like it. And then let's see what's in the kit. Take it out without dropping anything. I did drop one thing. Pretty seashell. Alright, let's see. Oh, there's a lot of seashells in here. They're falling out all over the place. So let's cheat and see those little seashells. Very nice. Okay, let's take a look at the package. So the first thing that rolls around is a test tube full of sequins. Very pretty colors. Blues, purples, greens, pinks. Looks like rainbow colors, but very mermaidy feeling, like the darks, things like that. Very pretty. Beautiful flowers, like always. Oh, this is pretty. So just like in the little jar, there is a little mermaid in here, along with some palm trees. These look like they're charms. How cool is that? Very nice. And then we've got some glass beads. These are the kind that have the flat ends on one side. Looks very sea glass picturesque. Sea glass-esque. Sea glass-ish. Another package of charms. This time we've got a beautiful dolphin, turtles, seashells, and these are all silver. Little shrimp, starfish, seahorse, dolphins, fish. Very nice. This is a button, or pin, I guess, a pin. And it looks like a glass of iced tea with a lemon, maybe brownish lemonade, iced tea. Some more beautiful charms. Looks like we went Charm Happy this month. I love it. It's one of my favorite parts about these kits is the charms. How cool is that? Some more. Oh, my seashell bag was broken. That's why they fell out. So here are the ones that were too big to fall out. Very cool. Some little mermaid, they call them cabochons, I think. Just like little embellishments. I actually have some that I ordered directly from them that were bigger, so these will be great. A great addition to my collection. I tend to collect pretty things and not use them, so hopefully I will find good use for them. Cool. Very nice. There's a lot of them too. It looks like, is this rice paper? Looks like it is sticker paper, like the washi stickers. Very nice. And then for the wood embellishments, we have Tropical Paradise. A very pretty, could be like a shaker, because it's got like a plastic, or it could be a frame. If you make shaker cards, you could definitely turn this into a shaker card. I don't typically, but maybe I'll make a shaker art journal page. I don't know. Kind of cool. A lot of plastic floating around here. Okay. A cool leaf snip art stencil. Just put that in there. Oh, very pretty. I've never seen jellyfish that look like this. It almost looks like a stingray body with the jellyfish tentacles underneath. I usually see them like this, but these are really pretty. And then, oh, there's another shell floating around. And then the beautiful papers. I did see one or two of these. So let's hold it up a little high while we look at them. So that is beautiful. Island. You can see all the underwater. This is one of the ones that I saw on the website, I believe. Beautiful. Another island. Definitely makes me want to go on a vacation to an island somewhere. I love how you can see the details of the island underneath and how it's a floating island. Oh, beautiful dolphins. I love this one. Very cool background piece. There we go. Sorry about that. And that's actually all. So very cool pictures, very cool papers. I mean, very cool embellishments. I may decorate the box this month, or I may add to the journal I started with last month's. I'm not sure. So this is last month's journal. Very cool. It actually came with the chip art to make the journal itself. Black gesso behind kind of blurred out some of this, but definitely needs some more love, some more work on it. This one has a very nautical theme or nautical feeling too, so I don't think it'd be too out of place to put it in here, or maybe start a new one, something like that. So I will post my project once I figure out what I'm going to do with it, but otherwise, thanks for joining. If you like what you see, please remember to subscribe if you want to see more, and also hit that like button if you like it. Let me know if you have any ideas, maybe what we could make with this. Definitely open to suggestions. Otherwise, I'll probably just end up with a journal page. Maybe not using the bigger ones for the journal page itself, but there's a lot of little stuff in here. This month, the flatter stuff will look great in journal pages, so we could do that. Or maybe some kind of shaker with the sequins. Something like that. Let me know in the comments what you think we should do, and we'll go from there. Thanks for joining.